Okay, now I'm going to clone the Git repo in the backend front-end server. So for that, to clone the repo with the SSH one, so I'm going to create a SSH keygen where I'm going to copy this public ID and add the SSH key to my GitLab so that it will be secure. And after that, we will be cloning it. Then we will check out to the version 2. So let's just do that. Come in here, then copy. There is two option, which is clone with SSH and clone with HTTPS. So if I just try to clone with this one by default, let's see what happens. So database, just exit from here. My database configuration is done. Now if I try to clone with the SSH, git clone SSH, now I won't be able to do it. See, it's asking for permission and other stuff. So that's why what we have to do, we have to create a key. Wait, let me just clear one. So for that, we have to do SSH, then key, gen, then hit enter, enter. I can give the information if I want to. So if I go to the cd.ssh, use ls in here, I will be see there is two. One is public, which we will be using in our GitLab, and it's a private, which will be stored in our instance so that they can communicate with each other. So for that, if I do the cat id, this one, dot pub, let me just copy this public one, copy. Then I'll be going to my GitLab, click on this user icon, then go on the preferences. In here, I will see the SSH keys in here. Click on in this section, then I can add the key in here. Paste it, then add the key. So it has been added. Let's just go back. Okay, so in here now, if I try to clone this one with the git clone, let me just do this again. Git clone, let me clear it. Copy the URL, the SSH one. Now git clone. See, now it's been cloned. If I use ls in here, I will see the two tier applications. So after cloning it, what we have to do, let's go back to the slides. So we clone it. Now we're going to switch to the V2. So why we have to do that? So if you see in the GitLab, you can see there is two branches. One is master and the one is tutor V2. Right now we want to access to our tutor V2. So we can also see that from here. So if I go to the CD tutor applications, if I type git branch, so what the branch name is the master. So if I want to check out to that git tutor V2, so what I can use git checkout, then tutor V2, hit enter. Now if I use the git branch again, see right now I'm the tutor v2 branch. So that's how you're going to switch to the branch.